Mahungu yi humelele vusiku bya tolo hi awara ya 11. Vaaki veri va twe mpfumawulo wa swibuluki, Muako u nga se dyiwa hi malangavi ya ndzilo. Ku ehleketela leswaku ku buluki tintambu ta gezi tanihi leswi gezi a ri fambile hi nkarhi lowu ku nga sungula ndzilo. Vatswari veri vana va ha tshwile.
All the kids were traumatized, including the parents, the teachers. We were forced to send them back home so that they must relax today. Tomorrow they must come back at school together with their parents so that we can explain to the parents what happened. Even though we don't know what the cause of the fire, because there was a big explosion before the fire started.
Swirho swa vaaki va karhi ku tirhisa na Maphorisa ku kuma xivangelo xa mhangu leyi.
Even yesterday, we never have a doubt that this happened because there were load shedding, and this thing happened around about 10:30, and by then there was no electricity. So we even called the ESCOM to come and verify. They go to check on the earth leakage, they test it, and then the other classrooms, the lights were on.
Ndzawulo ya dyondzo veri va hlawule xipano xa vativi ku hlela nhundzu leyi nga onhaka.